Look at them, just standing there, calm, unhurried, completely unbothered by the world around them. These are southern white rhinos, and the moment I saw them here at Ain Zoo, walking, grazing, breathing, I felt something I didn't expect. I felt lucky because not everyone alive today will get to see a rhino in their lifetime.
Here is something that will immediately change the way you look at them. The name white rhino has nothing to do with their color, they are gray. The name actually comes from the Afrikaans word white, which means white, referring to their wide, flat, square-shaped lips, perfectly designed for grazing on short grass. Somewhere along the way, white becomes white and the name stuck forever. So what you are really looking at is the white-mouthed rhino, and honestly, that fits perfectly.
The southern white rhinos is the largest of all 5 rhino species on earth. An adult can weigh up to 2,400 kilograms. This is heavier than a family car. And despite that size, they can run at 50 km per hour, faster than most humans can even imagine running. Their skin can be 5 cm thick in places, and yet it is sensitive to get sunburned.
That is why they roll in mud, not because they are dirty, but because the mud is their sunscreen, their insect repellent, and their air conditioning all in one. Ain Zoo first welcomed 5 southern white rhinos back in 2008. Through years of dedicated care, the small family has grown, and today the zoo is home to a group of rhinos.
Ain Zoo even named one of its newborn caves Sudan in memory of the last surviving male northern white rhino who passed away, leaving his entire subspecies with no future. That single name carries the weight of an entire species. Right now, there are only 2 northern white rhinos left on their entire planet. Both are female, both are too old to breed naturally.
The rhino's horn, which has driven decades of brutal poaching, it's not even bone, it is made of keratin, the exact same material as your fingernails. And yet, on the black market, a single horn can sell for more than gold by weight. Ain Zoo partners with Liwa Wildlife Conservancy in Kenya to track and protect wild rhinos from poachers, monitoring their health and funding critical conservation research. Every single rhino born here matters, every single one.
And I think that is beautiful because that is exactly what their disappearance would be, a crash, silent, irreversible. Standing here watching them eat, watching them walk slowly past each other, I kept thinking, this is real? These animals have been on earth for over 50 million years. And in the last 100 years, we nearly ended all of that. Ain Zoo is one of the places making sure that doesn't happen.